Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 17th of May 2021. Before I go into the trading ideas, there is a question which I got asked pretty often. The question is, which broker do I recommend, which broker do I use? So below this video there is a link where you can check it out. Alright, so let's now go into the trading ideas. The first one is on the Australian dollar, US dollar. What you see before you, those three charts, they are linked, they are always linked, and they always show the same trading instrument. In this case, they show the Australian dollar, US dollar. The chart at the top is a 60-minute chart where I have volume profile, which shows how the volumes are distributed throughout the whole week. So that's a weekly volume profile. Now this chart is a 30-minute chart where I have flexible volume profile. That's a profile which you can move around the chart, so it's not fixed. And the last chart, this is more detailed chart, 15-minute chart with 4-hour profiles. Those get printed automatically every 4 hours. Now those two shorts, those two resistances you can see in here and in here, they're actually levels from my members area, but I decided to share those two with you as well. So the first one is at 78.03 and it is based on a trend setup. It is based on this strong selling activity, and trend activity like that means that sellers were pushing the price downwards. Right? So aggressive sellers. Now those sellers needed to place their shorts somewhere first. They needed to accumulate their positions. So they did it in here. You can see those massive volumes which got created in this rotation area. And as you can see from that rotation area, this selling activity continued. Right there, this aggressive selling activity. So I think that those were sellers building up or adding to their selling positions in here. And I think that when there's a pullback to 78.03 or somewhere to this area, to this general area where this strong sell-off started and where those heavy volumes got accumulated, I think that there'll be a reaction. I think that the sellers will want to defend this zone and to push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so that's for the first resistance at 78.03. Now the second one, this one is also based on the strong selling activity, and it's based on the massive volumes which got created within this rotation. So basically there was a rotation and big institutional traders were building up their positions in here. Then they started to push the price downwards to manipulate the price. So I think that in this place sellers were building up their shorts, then they pushed the price downwards. I think it was sellers because of the selling activity in here, right? Because of the downtrend. That's why I think it were sellers. So sellers in here, the heaviest volumes were traded right there at 78.38. So when there's a pullback, I think that those guys, those strong sellers, will want to defend this zone and to push the price downwards from there again. Now what I like about those two levels is that those two levels are very nicely visible on the weekly profile. This is the first one. This is the second one. I like this because this tells me that those levels or those resistances are visible from the higher perspective, and this makes them even stronger. Alright, so that's for the Australian dollar, US dollar. Now the next trading idea is on the Swiss franc, Japanese yen. So now all the charts show the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and there is a significant level, significant support at 120.27. Right there, this is the support, and let me print the flexible volume profile over this rotation area. This is where I'm interested in the most, because there was a rotation from which strong buying activity started. You can see it also in here on the 60-minute chart. This is the rotation. This is the strong buying activity starting from this rotation, right? Now, as you can see on the weekly profile, there are pretty massive volumes traded in here, with the heaviest volumes right there at our level. You can see it also on the flexible profile, where I selected only that rotation zone. This is the zone where I'm interested in the most. Anyways, both those profiles show the same support. They point to 120.27. I think that buyers were building up their longs there in this rotation, and then they pushed the price upwards. So when there's a pullback, I expect those buyers to start pushing the price upwards, to manipulate the price to go upwards, right? To defend the positions which they placed in this rotation. What you want to do, you want to use a wider stop loss in this case, because this was also wider rotation area. An ideal place for the stop loss, in my opinion, would be in here below this rejection. So that's around 20 pips. Alright, so let's now go into the next trading idea, which is on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. So this is the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, and there is a support which is pretty easy to spot if you look at the weekly volume profile, because it is based on weekly point of control. Weekly point of control shows a place where the heaviest volumes throughout the whole week got traded. In this case, it's right there at 78.64. Now, from that point of control, from that weekly point of control, strong buying activity started. This indicates strong buyers. So I think that strong buyers were building up their longs mostly in this rotation, I think, and then they manipulated the price to go upwards, right? Now, there is a pullback, and when the price hits this area, the point of control at 78.64, I think that those buyers from this place, mostly from this place, but also from this area and from this area, those guys should defend their longs and to push the price upwards from there. Alright? So the logic behind this is the volume accumulation setup, and it is based on the weekly point of control from which strong buying activity started. This strong buying activity tells us that it was most likely strong buyers who are building up their longs in here or throughout this whole area, and who afterwards manipulated the price upwards. Right? So those buyers should defend their longs and they should push the price upwards. I only hope that this reaction we are seeing right now is not a reaction to that point of control. That would be a shame if the price just turned and went upwards. That would be the reaction to the point of control, but I hope that this is not the reaction yet. I hope that the price will still go downwards and react from there, from this support. Alright? Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, then what I suggest is you go to my website, which is trader-dl.com, and you go to trading course and tools. In here, you hit that yellow banner and you scroll down a bit. This is a training pack which I recommend. It is called the Elite Pack, and it includes my volume profile video course, which is 15-hour-long training on trading with volume profile, price action, and VWAP. Consists of 44 videos. Now it also consists of my personal trading levels. You'll be getting day trading levels as well as my monthly swing trading levels. Now you'll also receive my volume profile pack, which is a pack of volume profile indicators which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4 platform. And as a bonus to all that, you are going to get a free VWAP indicator which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 platform, and also you'll get my books which I wrote, volume profile, the Insider's Guide to Trading. Also the second book, which is not listed in here, but you'll get it as well. It's called Order Flow Trading Setups. Now, apart from all of it, you will also receive a special service, which is a free tech support for Elite and Order Flow Pack members. And this special service means that our tech support will set up meeting with you, and they'll install NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all the indicators. They'll set you up with workspaces. They'll connect you to a data feed, and they'll do it free of charge, because this is a special service which we provide the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's the recommended training package. Currently we have it heavily discounted. There's a Memorial Day sale, and there's the 50% off. So if you hurry up, you can catch this for a great price. Alright, so anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it interesting and helpful. But before I wrap it up, I would like to announce a winner of the contest from the last week. The prize of the contest was Flexible Volume Profile for MetaTrader 4. That's indicator for MetaTrader 4, which I developed. And right now on your screen, you should see the name of the person who I randomly picked and who won the indicator. So congratulations for winning in our little contest. And what I'll do is I'll do another one for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube. And next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's all you need to do to participate in that contest. Again, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.